Okay, Austin, we are recording. Can you please tell us about your science project? What is your question?
Which one is going to make the most bubbles? The volcano or the elephant toothpaste?
So who's making the volcano?
Caleb.
And who's making the elephant toothpaste?
You know that because Caleb is making the volcano.
So you're making elephant toothpaste. So for the volcano, we're going to need to pour in some vinegar. So I'm going to pour in some vinegar to a certain, like I'm pouring vinegar in, so we're halfway full with this. Okay, so halfway full. And Caleb, you can put some red in there, okay?
Okay.
Oh, wait. You need to take the lid off.
This lid off?
Mm-hmm.
And then put it in, Caleb. That's it.
Okay, that's good. Now put the lid back on. And for elephant toothpaste, Austin, do you have your coloring for it? What color are you going to make your elephant toothpaste?
Green.
You're going to make it green?
Mommy,
So we're going to put
can I put the sugar in it?
Not yet. We're going to put them in at the same time.
Daddy.
Okay?
Daddy.
We're going to put in hydrogen peroxide to the same level because we want a controlled experiment. So let's do the same level as Austin's.
Can I put it in?
So are that the same level? Looks like the same level to me. Okay, Austin's going to make his elephant toothpaste green. And, great. Now you guys each get to put a little bit of soap. Just put a few pumps, Caleb. Actually, 3 pumps is perfect. And Austin, just squeeze your Dawn soap in there a little bit. And I want you guys to stir those around, okay?
Okay.
Stir that around.
With knife?
You can stir this around, Austin.
Knife?
Maybe we should have controlled that a little bit better. And while you're stirring, Austin, I'm going to put a little bit of water into your yeast so that it's a mixture. And I want my yeast to have the same, we want to have 3 tablespoons of each. So I'm just going to put enough water in there.
I'm done.
To get it to be a paste.
I got all the soap away. There you go. There you go. There you go. Mommy, this is going to be green after I'm done.
Okay, so we had 1 packet of each, which is about 2 teaspoons. And I put a little bit more water than that.
Can I put it in?
And then Caleb has 3 teaspoons of baking soda. No, you have to do the same time as Austin. So, Austin, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, wait, Caleb. No. 1, 2, 3, and pour. Get away! Get your hand away! Get the hand away! Oh, who's making more bubbles? Whoa! Look at all those bubbles! Look at all the bubbles! I think Caleb's was faster, right? Do you think his was faster?
Oh, I have a lot of bubbles. I have a lot of dots.
But do you think maybe Austin might make as much? Caleb, don't stir anymore. Okay, don't touch it. We're just watching it react. Wait until it's done. Reacting.
This is covering this. Mom, done. Cup.
Wait until it's done reacting.
Yeah, because I have to.
Whoa, Austin's is still coming out. Austin's is still coming out.
Mine is all covered. Can I cut it?
Okay, you can cut it now. But Austin, is yours coming out still?
Yeah.
Let's see. Well, which one do you think is making more then?
I think this one is. Because look how many dots I have.